Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, we need to write a balanced chemical equation for two chromiums with three sulfates. Let me give myself some more space here. Oh, that's going to be covering that up. Combining with, this is going to be ammonium carbonate, right? So these are going to come together. I'll do it on the next line. I guess I can zoom out a little bit. Okay, so one thing that'll be useful to do is figure out the charge on these things, right? So a sulfate is a polyatomic anion with a -2 charge, right? So that's 2 minus. And if there's 3 of them, that means that the whole thing is 6 minus, right? Which means that our chromium must be 3 plus, right? So we're dealing with chromium 3 plus. Okay, ammonia is +1, right? And if there's 2 of those to balance a carbonate, we know carbonate is 2 minus, right? Okay. So the idea here is that, sulfates are 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, and so are carbonates, right? So they're kind of interchangeable. That means in the same way that we need 2 ammoniums for every carbonate, we're going to need 2 ammoniums for every sulfate, right? So if we've got 3 sulfates, how many ammoniums are we going to need? Ammoniums are we going to need? We're going to need 6, right? So to balance this, we're going to have to put a 6 out in front of ammonium. Sorry, we're going to need 6 total. So if it's NH2, we're going to need 3, right? This will total 6 plus. This totals 6 minus. Okay, so 3 ammoniums, right? And if we have 3 ammoniums, how many carbonates are we going to have? Well, we're going to have 3 of them, right? So we should be able to just swap these here. Chromium. Now we're going to have CO3, and we're going to have 3 of those. And we'll have ammonium, right? How many of those are we going to have? Well, we're going to need, we're going to have 6 of them total, right? And then we're going to have our 3 sulfates. Right? Does that make sense? Okay, this, if they're 3 plus, that's 6 plus. If these are 2 minus each, that's 6 minus. If these are 1 plus each, that's 6 plus. And if these are 2 minus each, that's 6 minus, and we're good. And we got the same number on both sides. 2 chromiums, 2 chromiums. 3 sulfates, 3 sulfates. 6 ammoniums, 6 ammoniums. 3 carbonates, 3 carbonates.